Here's a little column you're going to have to wrap too. This is a block column. I put corner bead around it, and so we're going to have to glue it directly up to here. And I don't have any liquid nails left, do I? So I'm going to have to use some different type of mastic here. I might even use regular caulking and glue it with that. And I think I might have some other mastic here too. But anyways, to cut these, it's the same way. You're going to use the same saw. You've got, this would be the inside corner at a 45. Cut at 45 here. The same thing back there. There's a 45 there and an inside 45. Then you're going to go from the inside 45 to an outside 22.5 degree and tie this right into the side again, 5/16 gap. Same thing over here, 5/16 gap. You're going to have to kind of play with those little pieces and do a good job. I know you can do it.